If you think all you need is a cable to transfer photos from your Android to your Mac, then I'm so sorry to let you know that there is one more step. Luckily, the extra step is simple enough. The only thing that we're missing is a free app called Android File Transfer, which you can download from android.com/file transfer, or click on the link in the description. Sometimes your phone might even come with it. If I connect my OnePlus 70 to my MacBook, the initial response is charging, as you can see right here. So when I connect it to my Mac, notice that over here it says USB drivers, and that is from plugging in my OnePlus. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Notice that we have a file called Android File Transfer.dmg. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Follow the instruction on the screen. Once you have installed Android File Transfer, go ahead and open it up. Now this is where it might take several tries. The little dot here indicates that it is active. However, we don't see anything, right? You might receive a message like this that says cannot connect the device. The next step we need to check is to make sure our phone is set to file transfer. If I look over here, notice this icon here. That means the USB connection is charging. So we're going to bring this down. And then over here, Android system, charging this device via USB. We're going to click on the little L key here. Tap for more options. And now we have different options. We're going to select File Transfer. When we do that, this window pops up. HD1905, that's my OnePlus 70. And over here, we are going to look for a folder called DCIM, and then a folder called Camera. And that is where we have all our photos and videos. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Folder and name it Transfer. And then we're going to open this up. And all we need to do is select the photos or the videos that we want, and then drag and drop it over. And here's a photo of bear sleeping. Different devices might react differently. Some might even pop out a window and ask you if it's safe to transfer. But the core concept is the same. Make sure that your device is set to file transfer, otherwise the software won't be able to read the files. For more quick and easy tutorials to help you enjoy tech, make sure to check out my channel. Hope this helps. Bye!